Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to hit a golf wedge using an easy method. First, let's get your setup right. Position the golf ball slightly back of center in your stance, perhaps 1 or 2 inches behind the middle. Keep your weight slightly forward, favoring your lead foot, about 60% on that front side. Maintain a narrow stance, roughly shoulder-width apart, for better control. Finally, grip down on the club by about 1 or 2 inches. This gives you more command over the club face and trajectory. This foundational setup is crucial for consistent wedge shots. Now let's talk about the backswing. For an easy wedge shot, you want a compact backswing. Take the club back only to about hip height, or perhaps a little higher, but certainly not a full swing. It's important to keep your wrists relatively firm, avoiding excessive hinge, which can lead to inconsistency. Maintain a stable lower body throughout this motion. Minimize any swaying. Ensure the club face remains slightly open to the target line as you reach the top of your backswing. This controlled movement sets you up for a precise strike. Moving into the downswing and impact, this is where you generate power and accuracy. Initiate the downswing by shifting your weight forward with your lower body, leading the club. The key is to strike down on the ball, making contact with the ball first, then taking a small, shallow divot just after impact. Keep your eyes focused on the ball until it has been struck. This helps maintain your head position. Accelerate smoothly through the ball, maintaining a consistent, unhurried tempo. This ensures a clean strike and good ball flight. Finally, let's perfect your follow-through. After impact, allow your body to naturally rotate, finishing with your chest facing directly towards the target. Your arms should be extended towards the target, creating a nice, full finish. It's crucial to maintain a balanced posture throughout the entire swing, from start to finish. Don't rush the follow-through. Hold your finish for a moment to ensure you've maintained stability and control. This complete motion helps you achieve consistent distance and accuracy with your wedge shots.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.